This morning marks the official start of tax season. The IRS is open for business, and today Americans can begin filing electronic and paper returns.
With IRS budget cuts and changes from the Affordable Care Act, tax filers should be ready for delays. CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger is with us. Jill, good morning.
Good morning.
Let me just talk about changes first.
Okay.
What are the important changes?
The biggest is the Affordable Care Act. This is the year where you have to account for whether or not you had insurance. So there's basically four broad categories. One is you were covered by an employer plan or a government plan. Number two, you qualify for one of the government's exemptions, so you didn't have to sign up and get care. The third, you actually qualified for a premium tax credit, meaning you went through the marketplace, you could get that credit, no problem, but you have to wait for a tax form to come before you start to file. And then number three, which is my favorite, the individual shared responsibility payment. That is a penalty that you pay for not having coverage. So those are your four broad categories for Affordable Care Act.
We've been talking about the budget cuts here on CBS at the IRS, and other than the delays that Charlie talked about, what else can taxpayers expect to be affected?
Well, first of all, there is going to be many fewer people available to help you out. That's the call and the waiting. But it also means there are fewer people at the IRS to help you around fraud. And fraud is a huge deal right now. The IRS gives 5 big tips around fraud. First of all, they say, we don't actually send email. But if you get called by someone who says, I am from the IRS, and they demand payment, that's a red flag. The IRS will not call you and ask for a payment. If they say, we have to pay your taxes right this second, the IRS does not demand payment from a phone call. The third thing that they do differently is many of these scammers are saying, hey, you've got to use a debit card to pay us what you owe. No, you don't have to do that. And they don't ask for credit card or debit numbers over the phone.
Really important information. Jill Schlesinger, thanks so much.
Thank you.